we have Tony, who will be undergoing the FUE procedure with us. We are aiming for 3,000 grafts to restore his frontal hairline, actually to recreate a hairline, and then go back 7 centimeters, almost half of his scalp. And we will also be doing PRP for his crown as well, just to get this nice and strong for the future. So he could hold on to what he has for a very long time. You're excited, Tony?
Yes, very excited.
Let's do this.
All right, let's do it.
Awesome.
All right, great, thanks.
So what you're going to feel next, Tony, is basically we're going to start clipping the back of the head.
Okay.
Okay. And we're going to clip it down to 000.
All right.
This is your donor region. This is where we're going to be harvesting your grafts out from.
Okay.
Okay. The right temple, the left, and back of the head. Can I please have a few chucks? And I'll take the marker, please. Tony, what we're gonna do now is you're gonna feel a marker in the back of the head along with the temples. We're just gonna outline your donor region, and we're gonna break it down to even square boxes where we're gonna go and we're gonna harvest our grafts equally out from within. Okay. Thank you. Alright, we just finished doing the nerve block for Tony. We numbed up his temple, the back of the head. So the rest of the procedure, he shouldn't really feel much. And the rest should be a breeze, at least for the harvesting phase, which is this first phase. Alright, ready? So now we're going to have you, Tony, on your either on your side or on your stomach.
Okay.
And then we're going to start harvesting, starting at the right temple.
Okay.
And then we'll end at the left. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's do this. If I can ask you to stand up.
Sure.
Does this hurt, Tony?
No.
All right, Tony. We're done with the first phase. How many grafts did we obtain for?
3,134.
3,134. And what are the percentages?
We have 19% singles, 45% doubles, and 36% triples.
Okay, so those are some really nice percentages. That means, 8 out of 10 grafts you have multiples. Okay, so that should give you a really good density.
Okay.
So you have quite a good. This has come up with a nice hairline.
Okay.
And something that'll complement your face, especially your eyes. Okay. So we're gonna take a few different dimensions, some measurements, and then we're gonna settle on a hairline that's gonna look great on you.
Sounds good.
All right.
Okay.
All right. So that's 13. Perfect. Hairline would be at 6.5. Perfect. And your right and your left, they're probably going to be a little bit different, and what we'll do is we'll make it nice and symmetrical.
Okay.
Softeners as well, okay?
Okay.
And the closures in the very front. Turn towards me. So these you want it to be irregular. Alright, I'll give you the mirror, just get the final okay from you.
Okay.
That you like what you see.
Perfect.
You like it?
Yeah, love it.
Awesome. So what we're gonna do next, Tony, is basically numb the scalp.
Okay.
You're gonna feel a few injections on top, folks.
No.
All right, Tony, this part's done. Incisions, designs are done.
Okay.
Do you want to take a look at it?
Yes, please.
Okay, here we go. Tell me what you think.
All right.
Hold this on. Bring your head forward a bit.
Okay.
And removing the cap
All
back
right.
to front.
Perfect.
So what do you think?
Excellent. Thank you so much. It's
You like what you see?
exactly what I was looking for.
Is that?
As
Let
far
me
as the
clean
line,
that up.
hairline, and everything.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So what you see right now, Tony, is basically
Excellent. Thank
your
you.
new.
Guys.
You got it. So for this part, a few more hours,
Okay.
and we'll be done. Just sit back, pick a movie on demand,
Okay.
and
Sounds
we'll
good.
call it a day afterwards.
Okay. The day went by actually a lot faster than
Awesome.
I expected. So
Congratulations.
thank you. Really
Very
appreciate it,
happy for
doctor.
you. You
Thanks.
got it.
Thanks to everybody. Thanks to the staff. Thank you guys.
No, we're only stealing the money from folks that are bad.
So do you know of any place where we could steal a lot of money from some bad folks?
Congratulations, Tony. You survived. You did it. So we're just cleaning you up a bit right now. The more, the better we do the washes, less scabbings you'll have.
Okay.
How do you feel?
Excellent.
Feeling good?
Yeah, I feel really good.
Was it painful?
A little here and there, but not as bad as I thought it would be.
What part was the worst?
The numbing
The numbing and the
Yeah.
injections?
and the injections, yeah.
Few seconds of the injections.
Yeah. And then after that, obviously, I didn't feel anything. So.
You were sleeping the whole time.
Yeah.
Alright, this looks amazing. Keep in mind what you're gonna see right now is actually swollen, okay?
Okay.
Alright, congrats, Tony. The PRP is done for the crown as well. So let's take a look. Final moments.
All right.
Floor, if you wanna see, tell us what you think.
Perfecto. Exactly how I want it.
You like what you see?
Absolutely. And then obviously once the scabbing falls off, it's another.
Exactly. Now what you see is basically, you know, dry blood on your scalp. So, and you have a lot of fluid under your skin, okay, under your scalp. That's going to come down your face in the next few days. You're going to have a little bit of puffiness in the face.
Okay.
Okay, your eyes are going to be puffy, your cheeks, your chin. But I love the design, and I think it's going to look amazing a year out.
All right.
The percentages over 80% are doubles and triples.
Thank you.
Can I get a high five?
Yes, absolutely. Thanks, guys.
Bye.